In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the data you want to turn into a pie chart. Before inserting the chart, you need to highlight the correct range of cells. Click and drag your mouse over the full data table, making sure you include both the text labels and the numeric values. The labels are important because they tell Excel how to name each slice of the pie chart, and the numbers determine the size of each section. If you leave out either part, the chart may not display correctly. Once your data is selected, move to the top of the Excel window and click the Insert tab. This tab contains all of the tools for adding visual elements to your worksheet, including charts, tables, and illustrations. For this task, you will focus on the chart options. In the Charts group on the ribbon, click the button labeled Insert Pie or Donut Chart. The icon looks like a small circle divided into slices, which makes it easy to recognize. When you click it, a drop-down gallery will appear showing different pie and donut chart styles you can use. From that menu, select the first option under the 2D pie section. This is the standard pie chart format, and it is a great choice when you want a simple and easy-to-read visual. As soon as you click it, Excel will generate the chart automatically based on the data you selected. Take a moment to verify that the completed pie chart appears on top of your spreadsheet grid. It should be visible right away and displayed as a floating chart object. If you can see the slices and labels represented correctly, that means Excel has successfully created the chart. Next, look at the top of the chart where you will see the default placeholder text that says Chart Title. Double-click that text so it becomes editable. Then type a new title that clearly describes the data being shown. A good chart title helps anyone viewing the spreadsheet understand the chart at a glance, so choose wording that is specific and meaningful. After you enter the new title, your pie chart is ready to use. You have now selected your data, inserted a 2D pie chart, confirmed that it appears properly, and updated the title to make it more informative. That covers everything you need to know.